In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image in Photoshop 2024. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's done this a few times, I'll guide you through every step of the process to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop 2024 open and ready on your computer. It's a powerful tool with a lot of features, but today we're focusing on just this one task. Once you've opened Photoshop, you'll want to add the image you plan to work with. You can do this by going to the File menu, clicking on Open, and then finding the image file on your device. Select it and click Open, and your image should now be visible within Photoshop. Now that your image is open, it's time to select the part you want to cut out. Navigate over to the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the Selection tool, which has an icon that resembles a dotted square. This tool allows you to isolate the area of your image you want to remove or edit. Click on this tool to select it. With the Selection tool activated, click and drag your mouse around the area you need to cut out. Try to be as precise as possible. Correcting it later can sometimes be a bit tricky if you're not careful now. Remember, you can adjust your selection by holding down the Shift key to add to your selection or the Alt option on Mac key to subtract from it. Once you're satisfied with your selection, ensure it covers the area you intend to cut out. It's time for the next step, the actual cut. With your selection still active, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the selected part of your image, leaving a transparent space where you've made your cut. If you're not completely happy with your cut or make a mistake, remember that Photoshop has a handy undo feature. Simply press Ctrl plus Z, Command plus Z on Mac to undo your last action. Now, your image should look quite different with the selected portion removed. If you want to save your new image with the cutout applied, make sure to save it in a format that supports transparency, like PNG. Go back to the File menu, click Save As, and then choose PNG from the options in the Save As Type drop-down menu. Make sure you name your file something memorable and hit Save. And there you have it. You've successfully cut out an image in Photoshop 2024. With a little practice, this will become a smooth process for you, whether you're preparing images for a creative project, a presentation, or just having some fun with photos. You've got the skills now to do just that. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.